Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the application for the ANZ Bank on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then simply tap on the search box and then type in ANZ Bank. Once you type it in, you will find the ANZ Banking application. When you find it, simply tap on the install button and then wait for a while. And then this will begin the download and installation of the ANZ Banking application on your smartphone. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then once you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open up the ANZ Bank application. And now you can log into your account and continue banking on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the ANZ Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.